Hi, this is 𝗖𝗫𝗃𝗍𝗶 back with another Facebook organic promotion video. In fact, we're going to start a new series on how to get free traffic using Facebook. Stay tuned.
Alrighty, so guys, let's quickly start. So we're going to talk about branding yourself on Facebook. So we'll start with the profile picture, guys. So the profile picture, you need to have a clear photo of you, a clear photo of you. So possibly smiling, right? So because um, you need to be friendly and approachable, so people buy from people they know, they like and trust. So if you can smile on your Facebook profile, so it yeah, it will create that sense of trust, and people can easily connect with you. Okay, so then obviously the picture has to be a picture of you, right? So you don't want to put you know the picture of your pet, or sometimes there is some people who doesn't have any picture, right? So yeah, so you don't want to be a faceless marketer. So you need to put your picture out there, and and yeah, and work. So then of course we want to be relatable. So now for the cover photo, which is very important also, your cover photo here, basically you can outsource from Fiverr. Fiverr, you can get something around $5, $5. So you can have a nice cover photo, that brands you, whether you are in health niche or relationship or make money online, so you can brand yourself. You can make a nice cover photo that's really brands you. Right, so it's very important, in order to look professional. So basically by going here, edit cover photo, you can select the photo, and reposition the way you need. And yeah, that's it. So let's quickly see. So, and we talk about the cover photo, the bio or intro here. So for the bio, it's the little introduction that you have here. So you want, when people came across to your profile, if you to go to the intro, they know exactly what you are doing, how you can help them, right? So and here in edit bio, you can add your funnel. You can have your funnel. It can be your squeeze page, your landing page, right? Or landing page, or something that will allow you to funnel your leads, to grow your email list, to follow up, because follow up is very important in affiliate marketing. So in my case here, as you can see, I put who I am, and I ask people to DM me, so on Messenger. So Messenger here, that's where I'm follow up with my audience here on Facebook. So I didn't add a funnel, but probably I will. And also here, when we click on the cover photo here, yeah, we need to see exactly, need to add exactly what what you're doing, and how of course you can help people here. So as you can see, I'm funneling people here through my calendar here.com, where people can take an appointment, 30-minute appointment, or yeah, they can come straight to Messenger, where we can of course talk. Okay, so this is this part, and let's see. Okay, so basically, also, if you are wondering, you don't have results right now, right? You don't have results, and you need to come. You need see. Let me close this. So basically, you need to come up with content, right? Content creation, so guys, don't worry about content right now. So basically, all you need to do when you create your audience is to add people who you are a chapter ahead. You are chapter ahead of them, right? You don't want to add people who are more advanced, people that you cannot help. So basically, that's how you grow your audience on Facebook, and we will probably see that, guys. So okay, if you have I have a question for you, for example. So what is your best way to brand yourself on Facebook? Yeah, so put it in the comments below, guys. So we'll learn from each other, right? So because it's impossible to know everything, so we all know a small piece of a huge important topic, and so yeah, just comment below. So I want to know what is the best way to brand yourself on Facebook. So I will end up with two important note here. So you can access a free training. All you need to do is to access the link in the first comment. So you will see something like this, a landing page, and after you put your email information here, you'll go just right here. So right here, it's a very interesting 2-hour free training that I recommend you guys to grab. Okay, guys, with that being said, thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next one.